it's Mr. H, and today we're going to work on line 22, split decision. So this song is a duet, and what you can do with this line is learn to play line A and learn to play line B, and then find a friend and play both of those lines at the same time. So we'll do that today. As we learn these songs, at the end you can play it as a duet with me. Or when I'm playing line A, you just play line B. You could even do that now if you already know how to play the song. So let's start with line A of split decision. And we'll put the metronome on 84. Ready, go. Okay, how'd you do on that? This song, because it has kind of long notes, it's hopefully not too difficult of a song for you. I know at the ending, the last couple measures throw people off a little bit. You might want to practice those last two measures separately. But other than that, this is a great song for practicing tonguing and counting whole notes. So it's one long breath for your quarter notes, remember that. We don't want to take a breath for every note. I think you agree that doesn't sound as good. Let's do line 22A a little bit slower, just for practice. This is at 74. Ready, go. Let's look at line B now. If you compare the two lines, look closely at line A and line B, and hopefully you notice they have the same notes. So it's the same on clarinet or trumpet, for example. Line A starts with a C, and so does line B. And if you play other instruments, you'll notice that the notes are the same. So the only thing that's really different between line 22A and B is the rhythm. And again, the rhythm is kept by tonguing, okay? And of course, counting. So let's try line B. This is a little bit slower. This is at 74. Ready, go. And let's try it again at 84. A little bit faster. 1, 2, ready. So let's go ahead and play it as a duet. I'll do the A line, and you do the B line. And before we do that, take another look at the music. Notice that there's times when the A line plays by itself, and the B line rests, and then it switches. And so each line gets its own solo. So we're going to keep, well, let's slow it down just a little bit. So we'll go back to 74, and I'm going to play the A line, and you play the B line, and let's see how it fits together. Ready, go. All right, did it fit? Did it work together? If not, a couple things you might want to think about is, first of all, make sure your whole notes are the same as, they're 4 counts long. So in other words, if you look at the beginning, the A line plays 4 quarter notes and the B line plays 1 whole note, but they match up. All right, and so if your whole notes are too fast or your quarter notes are too fast, the lines won't match. Also, did you remember to count 4 for the rests? A lot of people skip over rests the first couple times. They don't remember to do the rest. But if you want the lines to match, you have to count your rests carefully. And finally, the last 2 measures can give trouble. Sometimes those measures need practice all by themselves. All right? So feel free to rewind the video and try again, or just try again tomorrow if you didn't quite get it, and come on back and play some duets with me. Good job. See you next time.